Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download DigitalOcean doctl for Droplet management. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download DigitalOcean's doctl for Droplet management, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for DigitalOcean's official website. Once the home page loads, locate the search bar. Type doctl into the search bar and press enter. From the search results, click on the link that directs you to doctl's page. On the doctl page, look for the installation section. Here, you'll find download options for various operating systems. Identify the version that matches your operating system. For Mac OS, you can use Homebrew to install doctl. If you're using Linux, follow the instructions provided for your specific distribution. For Windows users, you'll find a link to download the latest executable. Click the appropriate link to begin the download. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your File Explorer or Downloads directory. If you're on Mac OS, run the command to install doctl using Homebrew. If you're on Linux, use the terminal commands provided on the website. For Windows, navigate to the executable and double-click to install. After installation, open your terminal or command prompt. To verify the installation, type doctl version and press enter. If the installation was successful, you will see the version number displayed on the screen. Now you can start managing your droplets using doctl. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.